kings and queens. I'm Queen 100, and I'm that fine behind Ebony Redbone that fights those demons, monsters, devils, and beasts that feed off of your energy and Mother Earth's resources. I will be getting back what those devils stole from us so we can claim full, total redemption. See, while you're not watching or wasn't paying attention, those beasts creeped in your schools, food, medicines, music, videos, and more. But on my series, I will be spiritually fighting all of them to get you all total redemption. Since their government departments do not want to give us our lawful money even though we go by their codes, well, I stick to the real G code, which I call the Goddess Code, and that's how I keep it G. Watch me in my new S.P.C series coming soon to a video and comic book near you. 100 Queen! Keeping it G. OG.
Shalom. Kings and queens, I'm King 100, always keeping it 100, big baby. I go into the places where they contaminate things like our food supply, books, codes, scriptures, social platforms, group meetings, and more. These contaminations come in the form of beasts that have powers but not more superior than the one the Most High has given me. So, I'm ordained to bring the pain to these beasts that are teaching you the wrong things. Let me show you how to correct your status, but first let me take out these beasts that are misleading the world, causing you to be incompetent, which the Most High haven't given you because he gave you all a sound mind. And guess what this is? His kind but our time. Let me free you all. Watch me in my new S.P.C series coming soon to a video and comic book near you. Keep it 100, big baby. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm the Silver Queen, and I bring demand power to this thing than the lawful money we all claim. Let's take out these corporate crack-headed crooks, then sit back and relax. I'm that ebony silver queen that goes inside those corporate buildings and fight those higher powers, including the government. I do a lot of the investigating in order to get those names before I kick the AZZ. Everything isn't what you think you see or been told, so I'm that queen that unhides the gold. Watch me in my new S.P.C series coming soon to a video and comic book near you. Silver Queen to the rescue, bling it baby.